Did you know these tiny berries can boost your brain, burn fat, and fight aging all at once? Imagine waking up tired, your body feeling heavy, your mind slow. Now imagine fixing all of that with just a handful of something small, colorful, and delicious. That's where triple berries come in: raspberries, blueberries, and blackberries. These aren't just fruits, they're nature's most powerful health boosters. Each berry has a deep, rich color: red, blue, and black. But that color isn't just beautiful, it's powerful. It comes from antioxidants, compounds that fight damage inside your body. Every day, your body faces stress, pollution, and toxins. Triple berries act like tiny warriors, protecting your cells and keeping you young. Ever feel forgetful or mentally tired? Blueberries are often called brain berries for a reason. They improve memory, focus, and even slow down brain aging. Raspberries and blackberries also support brain health by reducing inflammation. So next time you need focus, skip the energy drink. Grab a handful of berries. Your heart works 24/7, but are you taking care of it? Triple berries help reduce bad cholesterol and improve blood flow. They lower the risk of heart disease and keep your arteries clean. Think of them as a natural shield for your heart. Trying to lose weight but always feel hungry? Raspberries are rich in fiber that keep you full longer. Blackberries help control sugar cravings, and blueberries boost metabolism. It's the perfect combo for healthy weight loss without starving yourself. Want clear, glowing skin? These berries fight wrinkles, acne, and dullness. Their antioxidants slow down aging and improve skin texture. Instead of expensive creams, your real beauty secret might be in your kitchen. Adding triple berries to your diet is super easy. Add them to your breakfast oatmeal, blend into smoothies, mix into yogurt, or just eat them fresh as a snack. Healthy doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes the biggest health solutions come in the smallest forms. Triple berries are not just food, they're energy, protection, beauty, and health all in one. So the next time you see raspberries, blueberries, and blackberries, don't ignore them, because your body will thank you every single day. Start eating triple berries today and feel the difference within days.